quick, just before the video starts, this channel has a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba Inu tokens. All you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and comment #Shiba Inu. Good luck! Robinhood listing last day for Shiba Inu. You waited so long for it, and now the day is closer than ever. Shiba Inu will finally be listed on Robinhood after many months of petitioning and requests. It's about to get even more bullish for Shiba Inu. So keep hodling, Shib Army, and make sure to watch this video to the end to find out more about the Robinhood listing. Disclaimer: this is a giveaway winner from yesterday. Also, if you're interested in getting price predictions and crypto news literally every hour, then join my Telegram channel. What's up, Shib Army, and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, a very special welcome to you. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you're the very first to get every single update about Shiba Inu and the crypto market literally every day. Alright, with that said, let's get into today's video. It's been 5 long months since Tristan Luke first petitioned Robinhood to list Shiba Inu on its app. Rival meme currency Dogecoin had been listed on the app a couple of years before and was performing well with astounding success. In fact, over the years, Dogecoin has grown to account for the majority of crypto trades made on the app, contributing to the reason Robinhood transitioned from being perceived as a stock trading app to being considered a cryptocurrency exchange. Now, something to consider is that Dogecoin's success on Robinhood means that the Robinhood platform has been exposed to the vagaries of meme currencies. And so, motivated by this, and considering that Shib was in a bull run at the time, Shib fans decided to call for a Robinhood listing, citing Dogecoin's success and convinced that Shiba Inu would perform even better. However, Robinhood remained non-committal until now. But before I get to Shiba Inu's Robinhood listing, let's check out some updates from around the community. As expected, spirits are high in the community with Shib prices surging like crazy and analysts projecting a more aggressive price rally coming soon for the token. Hodling is at its peak right now in the community, and like Ryoshi Hodler tweets, in a game of cards, the Shib army right now would rather draw 25 than sell off their Shib holdings. Anyway, that was on a lighter note. On to weightier matters. Yesterday, I informed you about Shytoshi's plan to get verified on Twitter for the sake of the Shib army and potential investors. Verifying the authentic Shytoshi Twitter account would make it easier for Shib fans to find authentic information about the token while avoiding scam accounts. Especially with all the progress Shib has been witnessing lately, this has become expedient and hopefully Twitter considers it pressing too. Currently, the process of getting verified on Twitter begins with going through Twitter's verification form. And yesterday, Shytoshi mentioned that he would begin the process soon, and that he would call on the Shib army when he was ready to begin. Well, he's set to begin that process, and yesterday he called on the Shib army to help. Okay, Shib army, tomorrow I'm going to reapply to get certified on Twitter. I'm telling you and Jack this in advance so that you can retweet with a comment and tell @verified to make it happen. We are tired of scam accounts. Please help. Ready, set, get 'em. The verification on Twitter is going to take a couple of steps. First, Shytoshi would have to request verification from his mobile app, and then he'd be asked to select a category from the 6 available categories that qualify for verification. When he selects his category, he'd have to submit proof of authenticity for the category as well. Since Shytoshi would be applying as an influencer, he would need to meet a certain follower and mention threshold. This is a big reason Shib holders need to retweet and comment like Shytoshi said, because all of this will help to prove Shytoshi's eligibility for verification. Now, once Shytoshi is able to confirm his identity, his application for verification will then be reviewed before Twitter approves. Usually, review and approval take quite a while since many people are also applying for verification. But we can't afford to wait that long because of the proliferation of scam accounts and the critical stage that we're at right now. This is another reason Shytoshi needs the help of the Shib army. So make sure you can go on Twitter, retweet, and leave your comments on Shytoshi's tweet. If we can leverage our staggering following of 1 million fans, we can cause a stir that draws the attention of the verification team at Twitter, and this can hasten the process. Let's make this happen, guys. Don't forget that we've still got news on the Robinhood listing, which I'll get to in a couple of minutes. But in the meantime, Shytoshi gave a shout out to Webull a couple of days ago on Twitter. You probably remember that Webull listed Shiba Inu in September, even rewarding users with $5 worth of Shib for completing a crypto trade. This listing saw Shib's prices soar by 23%. easily one of the early triggers that has contributed to Shiba Inu's current bullish trend. That said, I'll now talk about Shiba Inu's upcoming Robinhood listing, but just before that, this channel has a daily giveaway of 1 million Shib. For a chance to become a Shib millionaire, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and comment #ShibaInu. Good luck! Shiba Inu has grabbed the attention of the whole world, so much so even experts in traditional financial systems are now #Team Shib. You may have heard of Will Mead, a popular hedge fund manager and Twitter influencer. He's also joined the ranks of active voices speaking in favor of Shiba Inu. Yesterday, he tweeted at Robinhood advising them to list Shiba Inu in their own best interests. His tweet read, "At Robinhood app, are you adding Shib next week? If not, probably a good time with all the demand." Coming from a hedge fund manager, especially one of Will Mead's status, this is huge. Will Mead has a massive influence, with a literal mob taking investment tips from him. Having someone of this caliber in the Shib army is nothing but bullish for Shiba Inu. William Mead started his career at Wood Asset Management. Wood has a $1.5 billion institutional asset management firm and hedge fund founded by Gary Wood, a former Goldman Sachs partner and Harvard MBA. At Wood, William helped manage equity and fixed income portfolios for major university endowments, Fortune 500 pension funds, and super high net worth clients, including 2 billionaires' families. Next, William was director of ETF and mutual fund research for Zacks Investment Research in Chicago. At Zacks, he worked with the founder, Len Zacks, a PhD from MIT, in developing and maintaining a proprietary model that ranked over 20,000 ETFs and mutual funds. This model was viewed and used by over 150,000 people monthly and was published in U.S. News and World Report and featured on CNN, Yahoo Finance, and Fortune.com. William received a master's in economics from Johns Hopkins University, including PhD-level coursework in international economics. At Johns Hopkins, Mr. Mead was taught economics from the Federal Reserve and Department of Treasury. And while at Johns Hopkins, Mr. Mead consulted for a top hedge fund in Washington, D.C. In essence, if anyone should know about profitable investments, Will Mead definitely would. And now that he has pointed out Shiba Inu's potential to Robinhood, for the mere sake of his proven track record, Robinhood really has no choice but to pay attention. Will Mead isn't just anybody in the world of investing, after all. Besides, he's not the only one advocating for Shib. David Gokhshtein also took to Twitter to point out why this would make smart business sense for the company. Quoting his tweet, "I think Robinhood will probably add Shib onto their platform. The volume it generates is something that would be a no-brainer for them." Gokhshtein's recent tweets about Shib are quite interesting, especially considering that the entrepreneur has been agnostic about Shiba Inu for the longest time. In fact, in June, Gokhshtein declared VeChain, Polkadot, Cardano, and Reserve Rights the 4 biggest meme currencies after Dogecoin. However, in the past few days, the former Republican congressional candidate has changed his tune, naming Doge, Shib, and Floki as the biggest meme currencies in crypto's market right now. Like Will Mead, David Gokhshtein wields massive influence in the world of crypto and entrepreneurship. Founder and CEO of Gokhshtein Media LLC, David is a dynamic and results-oriented entrepreneur with a background in technology, marketing, and financial management. His experience in account administration, finance, and business operations, along with his passion and knowledge, gives him a critical edge in identifying key areas of development and strategic growth in new and emerging markets. He is also a popular public speaker, sharing his motivational insight and knowledge on current blockchain and digital asset news. He is the principal behind Gokhshtein Media LLC, a unique revolutionary portal for all things cryptocurrency, comprising fundamental market analysis, real-time market updates, and upcoming cryptocurrency events. He is also the host at Gokhshtein Unfiltered and Blockchain Breakfast. David continues to be a leading dynamic energy within the crypto space and was named one of the top 25 cryptocurrency influencers for 2018. And so, with this caliber of people calling for Robinhood to list Shiba Inu, Robinhood has little choice but to listen and finally give the people what they want. Because, in the end, as the experts themselves have pointed out, Shiba Inu has a promising future, and it would be to Robinhood's loss if they miss out on the opportunity to list Shiba Inu, especially now that the volume is massive. This brings us to the end of today's video. I'm sure you found it highly informative. If you enjoyed this video, then please like the video and leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you're a true Shiba Inu fan, then you must check out this video.